Hi everyone, it's Katrina. Welcome back to my channel. Here's another basket idea that I created. I had these little gumball machines that I've had for a while. I bought them a couple of years ago and I just couldn't decide what to do with them. So I decided I would make some gift box and place them in there. I used candy that was packaged and just kind of pushed it in there. And then once they use the packaging or the packaged candy, they can actually put their own gumballs in there and deposit their coins to get the gum out. I thought it was a cute concept and a good idea to make use of some of the stash I already have. Let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for tuning in.